Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I just wanted to show you something super neat. We've got flare nut wrench sets here. These are great for when you're doing something like brake lines or any other type of line where you need to get your wrench over the nut, but you don't want to go ahead and lose a lot of the gripping area like as if you were using a wrench like this, right? When you look into these, they pretty much grip almost all the way around the nut that you would be grabbing, where a regular wrench, not so much. You're only really grabbing onto two sides. What are you going to do with this? You're probably going to strip it out. What are you going to do with these? These are going to really grip on, and they're going to do a great job getting that, brake line or whatever it is line you're trying to get off. These look like they're going to be a great tool to use. I would recommend them. If you like them, check them out, 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.